So we'll start by importing all the member functions from the turtle module. From turtle import star. Okay, cool. Now we'll be changing the background color using the bg color function, and let's change it to black because it looks really good when we do it black. And let's now define a function. Let's name it my underscore turtle. The syntax for the function will be the same as for Python only, and we'll be taking 3 input parameters. One will be inner, the other one let's just name it outer, and the third one, let's say let me just keep it angle. Yeah, let's take angle 2 as an input parameter in this example, and let's just initialize their value. Let's say I keep angle 33, outer let's say let's just keep it 17. Yeah, and when it comes to when it comes to inner, let's just keep it 150. Okay, cool. So now after defining the function, we'll be declaring 2 for loops in this. In the first one will be in the range inner, and for the second one will be in the range outer. Now first of all, I would like to explain it to you what are inner and outer variables, what they actually are and what do they actually constitute. So the inner variable controls the total number of loops that will be formed globally in the pattern, while the outer variable over here controls the total number of local loops that will be created per global loop in the pattern. Okay, so once you see the pattern, you'll be able to see which ones are the global loop and which one are the local loop. Okay, so after declaring the two loops, we'll be writing the calling the forward function, and let's say we assign it a parameter of 0.2 into I into j. Yeah, this time we assign this parameter so that we can ensure that after every global loop is formed and after every local loop is formed, the distance by which the turtle moves is more than the previous time. Okay, and now let's just call the left function, and let's say the angle by which it moves each time would, let's keep it angle slash 0.01. Okay, and let's just control its speed then by using the speed variable, and we'll keep it the fastest by passing 0 to it. Now we'll be using the hide turtle function just to hide the turtle, and in the last we'll be assigning it ink. So we'll be using pen color function to assign ink to it. Let's say we keep it white, and after that what's left is just to call the function. So let's say we call the function over here. So quickly, what I'll do is I'll just mark a few things for you over here. First of all, speed function to control the speed. Oopsie. Speed. Fastest when 0 and slowest when 1. And to turn the turtle in left direction by angle past to move the function turtle in forward direction. And now, last but not the least, what we'll be doing is we'll be telling what are inner and outer. Inner controls the total number of loops formed globally in the pattern, and let's just say we declare right about outer over here. Outer controls the total number of loops formed locally per global loop in the pattern. Okay, so let's just quickly save it and let's just see if it's giving us the output that we desire. Okay, great. So as you can see, slowly the pattern is being printed on the presentation screen. I'll just have to fast forward a little bit so that you can see the complete pattern being printed over the screen, and you can see how beautiful this is. And yeah, I'll see you in the end of the video now. So hey guys, I hope you like this video, and if you did like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. And all the code that was taught in this video is already provided on our GitHub account. You can check the link for the same in our description box below. And we'll be back with another videos very soon. So please stay tuned and happy decoding. Okay, bye.